Hello students, on 15th June we are having Chai Pe Charcha. So it's like we have conversation, discussion about your UPSC preparation. Like why students they are failing in prelims again and again, why they are facing problem. Even in mains also, what are the problem area, what will the solution. Okay, so it will be a healthy interaction. So where I will tell what are the problem generally student they face, then you will check whether you are also facing the same problem. You can discuss your problem where me and my team will tell you the solution for that problem. So we will come out with solution to your problem. And like what we will have a quiz also related to UPSC preparation only. Winner will get attractive prize from our side. There is a complimentary gift for the participant. This is going to be a wonderful interaction. Okay. So date here is 15 June, timing 5 p.m. You have to scan this QR code. Registration is must, or you can call on our reception number for more detail. 882 66 196 99. So this is offline. We are going to have an interaction about your UPSC preparation, why you are failing in prelims again and again, what are the challenges you face in your answer writing, why your marks are not improving. Okay, even like you have put your hard work, you have put your best, still your marks are not improving in your mains. What are the reason behind this? We will discuss in detail. We will have an interaction. तो इट इज लाइक प्रॉब्लम सॉल्यूशन, प्रिज्मेटिक, डिस्क्रिप्टिव, प्रिस्क्रिप्टिव दोनों होगा. सिर्फ प्रॉब्लम नहीं बताएंगे, प्रॉब्लम का सॉल्यूशन भी आपको बताएंगे. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स.